Currently, my garage looks like Christmas threw up in it. And maybe a little bit of fall too. So in today's 10 Minutes Better, I am going to spend 10 minutes organizing the chaos in my garage. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. 10 Minutes Better is a video that we do once a month, the first Friday of every month, and it is hosted by one of my best friends here on YouTube. Her name is Melinda. Her channel name is Melinda Plain and Simple. I'm going to link her channel along with today's playlist of anyone else who might be participating in 10 Minutes Better in my description box below. The concept of this is you can use 10 minutes to make something better. And that's what I'm going to do out of my garage. I am going to make 3 piles. I'm just going to tell you this now so I can put on some music while I do it. But I'm going to make a pile of things that I am donating. I might talk about some of those things, but I'm going to have a pile of things I'm donating, a pile of things that need to go up in the attic, whether it's stuff that, my fall stuff that I need to store, boxes that I've already emptied for Christmas stuff, that kind of thing. And then I'm going to have another pile of boxes that I still need to bring into the house to complete my holiday decorating for 2023. In addition to all of this, I am so excited because I decided to do Vlogmas. And I'm excited and scared because I hope I can do it, but life. So I can't make any promises, but as of right now, I'm going to be posting one video every day for 25 days. But I know you guys might get sick of me, and I know you can't watch everyone, but I think you're going to get to know me on a much better personal level doing this. And so I'm really excited about the prospect of that for my channel. A lot of my Vlogmas is going to be decorating. Some of it's going to be Vlogmas, as Melinda started doing in November, where I'm cleaning certain areas of my home. And then some of it's just going to be getting to know me a little bit better. But with that being said, I got together with a group of friends here on YouTube, and we have like a Vlogmas group. And this Vlogmas group is hosted by my friend Clarissa. Her channel name is Sunny in the Suburbs, and Annalisa, her channel name is Curious Creative Learning. They both have great channels. I'm going to also link their channels in this description box, along with a playlist of all my friends who are participating in Vlogmas. So if you love Vlogmas content, you can go down this playlist and see lots of my friends who are participating in Vlogmas. If you're here for 10 Minutes Better, you can click on the 10 Minutes playlist, or hey, if you got some extra time today, you can click on both. So I'm going to set my timer. We're going to go out in my garage and we're going to see what we can do in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I was totally not exaggerating when I said that Christmas, fall, it threw up in my garage. So let's start the timer and let's see what we can do in 10 minutes.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And And in a while we're gonna go inside.
Jingle Bells, Clutter Smells. That is what we decided to name the 10 Minutes Better in December. And I think that is so true. Sometimes clutter can just really stink because it becomes so overwhelming. And that's what kind of happened in my garage as I pulled everything out and took the fall decor down and got donations ready. If you are new to my channel, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel, and I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I am so grateful for each and every one of you.
By the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
Okay, so I did really good in 10 minutes. This is my donate pile. I have some Christmas trees, some pillows, a Christmas wreath, a mirror, a bag of some Christmas stuff, a box of some Christmas stuff, teenage tree for a teenage room. We no longer have one. A teenager living here, so we do not need that. A tree skirt. This pile right here goes up in the attic. It is either boxes of fall stuff or empty boxes that I've already decorated with. And then right here, I have all the Christmas stuff that still needs to come inside to finish my decorating so it looks so much better. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Your love and support of me, it means so much to me, more than you will ever know. And I want to thank Melinda for coming up with this concept of 10 minutes better. I love Melinda. She is phenomenal. So I recommend that you check out her channel and the playlist, and that you spend 10 minutes today making something better. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.